when I wrote the Green Ember, for instance, that was an absolutely chaotic time. Like I wish I could go into more and more detail about that, but I was like struggling with my health. I was working basically almost three jobs. My father was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and went through surgery and was in the hospital. He's actually amazingly still with us. It was an absolutely crazy time. I cannot believe that anything worthwhile was produced in that period from me as a writer. I cannot believe it. I had no margin. So it was chaotic. I say that to say two things: that God can use even our like messiest times of life, like, and that there are periods, like I took time off when my dad was in the hospital. I couldn't keep performing, so that was like a break in writing the Green Ember. I'm a firm believer that beautiful things come to life, are given birth through intense labor pains. So, and I actually kind of don't think that many stories of worth are produced in the absence of pain. And I don't know if that's not like a hard and fast rule. I'd say that to say that when you're receiving pain, there's so much in the scripture about that, about how to orient our hearts during pain, during difficulty, how to steward that kind of stuff. And I would say that as a little bit of an encouragement to say, like, there's not going to be a perfect time